Hello and welcome back to another great session. What is OLAP cube? So we have learned about what is OLAP and what is OLAP cube. Let's learn about what is OLAP cube in detail now. So OLAP cube is nothing but it's a method of storing the data in a multidimensional form, generally for reporting purposes. In OLAP cubes, data, which are measures, are categorized by the dimensions. OLAP cubes are often pre-summarized across the dimensions to drastically improve the query time over the relational databases. So the query language used to interact and perform the task with the OLAP cubes is multidimensional expressions, which are also called as MDX. The MDX language was originally developed by Microsoft in the late 1990 and has been adopted by many other vendors of the multidimensional databases. Then you might be wondering what is MDX language, right? So I will throw a quick, the light on that MDX language. So I'll explain that very briefly because that's another topic. So the multidimensional expressions of the languages for expressing the analytical queries. MDX is an extension to the SQL language which Microsoft utilizes to query and script access, to the multidimensional data. You can use MDX queries to get data stored in a SQL Server analysis server cube by bringing back facts based on the dimensions. But here I am unable to explain further since it is a very different topic, and moreover, our course is all about learning the concept. All right, let's come back to just OLAP cube topic. So usually the data operations and analysis, hold on, let me move to the next slide. So generally, what happens is the data operations and the analysis are performed using the simple spreadsheet. We generally use the Excel spreadsheet where you perform a small the analysis and we can quickly finish your analysis. So here what happens in this Excel spreadsheet where the data values are arranged in the rows and the column format. So we all know that. So this is ideal for the two-dimensional data. However, so OLAP contains the multidimensional data with the data usually obtained from different and unrelated sources. Using a spreadsheet is not an optimal option. The cube can store analyze the multidimensional data in a logical and orderly manner. So then how does this OLAP cube work? So a data warehouse extract, would extract information from multiple data sources and formats like, text files, Excel sheet, multimedia files, and etc. etc. The extracted data is cleaned and transformed, data loaded into the OLAP server, that is OLAP cube, where the information is pre-calculated in advance for the further analysis. So as you can see, the OLTP systems, right? These are the the real-time or operational data sources. From there, the data is extracted by the data warehouse, and this data warehouse data is again split into data mart depending on the business need, and each data mart is having one OLAP cube or multiple OLAP cube. Again, it depends on how big the data is. So this OLAP cube will help in analysis of the data. When I say analysis of the data, it basically helps predefined. There are certain predefined the organization level or business unit level or at the different geographic level or demographic level. So you are storing the data when the person who accesses the data for his analysis from the reports like BI tools, the data retrieval would be very quick. So that is the reason you are coming up with the OLAP cubes. So this is a little bit of confusing topic, and I would want you to listen this topic carefully so that you would understand better. So I hope I was able to help you to understand what is OLAP cube in this topic. I will see you in the next topic. Thank you.